Here's your Storm Track 5 weather forecast. Now, meteorologist Ricky Matthews.
A beautiful sunrise across our area this morning. Check out some pictures that were sent in to us from Bristol. Some beautiful red sky this morning across our area. This one sent in by Ember Rain from near King University this morning from Bristol, Tennessee. Another beautiful shot from Josh coming in. That's a beautiful Saturday sky. Looks like Josh is already out at work. We appreciate everyone who has to work the weekends, and also people who send us in some pictures on Facebook, Twitter, or at weather@wcyb.com. Just remember, if you can, always take the picture horizontally. Makes for a much better image on television. Checking out some live conditions downtown Bristol, 52 degrees with a light northerly wind. Dew point around 50, humidity 93% this morning. Mix of some sun and clouds. Then as we go through today, we'll continue to see that with temperatures that are in the 50s and lower 60s right now, warming up into the 70s. 48 now in Jonesville, rather cool start to the day there. 54 in Mountain City, 57 towards Abingdon, 61 though in Wise, 50 in Clintwood. Dew points, that's the other thing that's also on the increased moisture moving into our area. With that, you see dew points in the 50s, a few upper 40s now, nothing like summertime humidity. It won't feel muggy today, but it will feel a little bit more humid. And with that, it's the increasing moisture that's heading our way. Some change on the way, showers and cooler temperatures moving in, all ahead of our next frontal system that will interact a little bit with Hurricane Patricia and get a little bit more moisture with it before it heads into our region. So that's the local effect that Patricia will have on our region. Nothing in terms of what they're seeing in Mexico, just a little bit of extra moisture. Our severe threat tracker for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday staying relatively low because not expecting any severe weather in terms of thunderstorms or anything like that. Just a few scattered showers. Already have a few on Max Alert radar this morning, moving across portions of central Kentucky. That's going to continue to push the east and kind of northeast as we go through the morning hours. But I don't think it'll make it here until late in the day and into the early evening hours. I think most of the day across portions of southwest Virginia and northeast Tennessee will stay relatively dry. Could see an isolated shower late in the day, but I think even that chance is pretty low, only about 30% now. Check out all the rainfall across Texas, though. Really serious flash flooding ongoing across portions of this area. A few flash flood emergencies once again issued for portions of Texas. Tons and tons of flash flood warnings and a really heavy band of rain pushing through the Austin, Texas area this morning. They've got 7 inches of rain in just about 7 hours this morning. Now, closer to home, we'll look at future track through today. You see a mix of sun and clouds, not anything in terms of flooding for today. Then really into tomorrow either. Just a little band of rain that moves through during the day on Sunday, gives us a chance for a few scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. And then as we go into Monday, a little bit moisture moves north. That's ahead of our next frontal system, and you'll see that reflected in our 7-day in terms of all the rainfall heading our way. But for today, 74 for the Tri-Cities, about 75 for Rogersville. Further to the east, we'll stay low to mid 70s, a few 60s towards Boone and Jefferson, and then 74 for today, in Cumberland, Kentucky. Now tonight, though, we are going to cool down just a little bit. It'll still be relatively mild. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, 55 for Duffield, 57 towards Abingdon, 55 in Mountain City. Further to the west, we'll say temperatures generally in the mid to upper 50s. How about 54 for Norton and 55 in Jonesville? And I mentioned that moisture heading our way. Check out over the next couple of days. All of that moisture starts heading our direction, but it doesn't really give us any widespread rain. It'll just be scattered showers and storms as we go through the next couple of days. Check out your 7-day in terms of the numbers for that. We'll say 50% for Sunday, 40% on Monday. After that, another 40% as we go into the day on Tuesday. Then a little bit of increased moisture once again on Wednesday. Could be a little bit of a rainier day on Wednesday ahead of the next frontal system. Then as we go into Thursday and Friday, temperatures start to drop a little bit. It's 30s return once again late Friday.
For Halloween.
It looks like Halloween could be a little bit chilly at night. Yeah, right. 40s and 30s.
Bummer. Okay.